Okay, welcome back. Now we're gonna do the prediction interval, and we're gonna pick up literally from the confidence interval. We're gonna use almost all the work, same. The only thing, the formula is changing slightly, all right? So this is your new formula. Again, has two values. One is the minimum value. So this is my minimum value, and this is going to be my maximum value. And I think they had a typo here, so that's supposed to be plus, not plus minus. Okay, and that's basically what we're going to do. And you notice here, if you compare it with the previous formula, there's only one here is different in the formula. So whenever you do the square root, you're gonna do 1 plus h instead of square root of h. Everything else is the same. So let's do the calculation again one more time. We have all the values in this table, which is good for us. So the first value, which is the minimum value, is going to be equal sign, and that's going to be the y hat first, minus, so the t value, times the standard deviation, times square root sq rt, open parentheses, you're going to put 1 plus the h, which is this value, and that's it. That's going to be the minimum value. The maximum value is going to be the same thing, so you're going to be select the y hat plus the t alpha times standard deviation times square root sqrt of 1 plus h, which is this value. That's it. We got these two values here, so we can plug them in. So that's going to be 71, and this is going to be 29, 16. Okay, let's check it. Great. Okay, so for the last one, I think the right answer should be this one. So because if there is anything wrong, probably the residual do not have equal spread, right? So this should be the answer. Yep, there you go. And all set for the question.